How to install the latest version of WampServer and solving any error you might face. First off, to avoid any installation error, you must download Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Click on Download. Download the setup file that is suited for your system type. To know what is your system type, right-click on computer icon. Select Properties. My system type is 64-bit. So I have to download the setup file for 64-bit. Click on Next. Open the setup file you just downloaded. Check the box I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on Install. The installation is finished. Close this window. Now, let's download WampServer package. Search for Wamp. Navigate to WampServer.com. Click on Download. There are two setup files according to your system type. Since my system type is 64-bit, so I'll download this package. Click on Download directly. It's very important to run the setup file for Wamp as administrator. Click on OK. Next. Check the radio button I accept the agreement and click on Next. 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 Install. By default, Internet Explorer will be used as browser by WampServer. I'll change that by clicking on Yes. I'll choose Chrome web browser. Notepad will be used as text editor by WampServer. Since I don't have any other editors on my system, I'll click on No. Click on Next. The installation of WampServer is finished. Click Finish to close this window. Let's run WampServer. It is very important to run it as administrator. The normal startup for WampServer is indicating by three colors: red, then orange, then green. But in here, it is stayed at orange. That's mean either Apache or MySQL is not installed or not running properly. Let's check them. I'll check MySQL by going to MySQL console. The default password for MySQL is none. Just hit enter. MySQL service is running without any error. So the error with the Apache service. Check the port usage of 80 by clicking on Test Port 80. As I expected, port 80 is actually used by Microsoft Server. With the new version of Wamp, they make it easy to change the port by clicking on Use a port other than 80 and select the port 8080. Click on OK. The indicator is changed to green. That's mean all the service is running well. Go to the localhost. As you can see, Microsoft Server home screen appeared and not Wamp home screen. That's because the default port used by browser is 80, if you type it or not. And 80 is used by Microsoft Server. But Wamp uses port 8080. So I have to type after localhost :8080. That's all. Thanks for watching.